Hey, what's up, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today I got another unboxing for you guys. This package was sent to me by Carlos at Daily Carry Solutions. It's got two knives in it, actually. One is on loan to me from him, Carlos. Thanks, brother. The other one is through the Apex Pass Around group. So, without wasting any more of your time, let's get into it. Oh, yeah. My pair, too. Love this thing. I don't think I've ever reviewed it. I've showed it off a few times, but yeah, one of my favorite blades for sure. All right. Oh, nice. I love PVC patches. Thanks, brother. Much, much appreciated. I gotta check this guy out real quick. Oh, wow. Very nice. I love PVC patches, for real. Thanks, brother. That's going right on the front of my 511 push pack. Got a perfect spot for it. Thank you, thank you. I'll read this here in a minute. This is the main one I wanted to check out, so we'll start with it. Yep. You know it's going to be good. Set this right here. This here is the Kansept Sprite. Oh, wow. The sound this thing has. Wow, that is a beautiful, beautiful knife. I absolutely love the inlays. I'm a big shredded carbon fiber fan, or just a carbon fiber fan in general. I mean, you can tell everything on the table here is almost carbon fiber. But, oh wow. Gotta love that recurve. That huge long clip and swedge. Almost has like a Bowie style shape to it. One-handed. Oh yeah. The action on this guy is sweet. Wow. Impressive. Such a beautiful, beautiful knife. Wow. There's so much more going on now that I see it up close. Wow, all the milling all the way around it. That's pretty nice. Oh yeah, clip feels good too. Nice and springy. Not too tight. That's going to be a good clip. Wow, look at that relief. On the outside too. Very nice. I actually think the ones that are on the outside work a lot better. It's probably why this one is so good. Yeah, love it. Very nice. You know, the thing is that gets me with these frame locks is a lot of them, if you know certain designs, you actually work against yourself while trying to close them. Like if you're trying to do it like this, you know, usually your fingers pushing right there against it. So you kind of have to tuck your finger away and do it like that. But the way this is kind of milled and the way it kind of slopes down right here, you know, even with, you know, your finger being over a little bit, it still will unlock quite easily. You know, a lot of people don't realize that's why companies like Strider and Lion Steel, they'll put that little button right there. You know, people will change them out, you know, get them to look like the back of a cartridge or something, like a 9mm cartridge or 380, whatever size it is. But yeah, that's actually for you to place your finger so you're not working against yourself and, you know, putting more pressure on the lock. You know, people just think it's there to look good, but no, it has a purpose. Wow, very impressive. Again, full review to come. Wow, those inlays are done perfectly. I mean, there's no deviation. between the two, it's perfect. No milling on the flipper tab or no jimping or anything. It's real smooth, but it's got a little bit of a little curve to it to where your finger just kind of sits in it. I like that. Alright, we'll set this guy over here and get into the next one. And this here, if I remember, is the Plateros. Yeah. Oh yeah. The golden sandalwood. Action. Always sweet. I don't think I've ever had a Civivi that the action wasn't perfect. Wow, look at that golden sandalwood though. That is beautiful. Very impressive. I love it with the black hardware though. Wow. I swear, if this had the black Damascus blade, oh man. Or even that blacked out too. That would be sweet. But I guess since the blade's this regular Damascus, they kept it like that. I'm sure they probably thought about that. Man, this thing's pretty thick. And for the size, this guy does not weigh anything. I'm kind of impressed by that. Wow, feels great in the hands. You know, there's no jimping on the spine here, but honestly, you really don't need it because where your thumb placement is, it's right there on the handle. And, you know, you got a little bit of grip right there where it's separated. So, wow. I'm actually really surprised by this knife. You know, I have plenty of other Civivis. I'm actually carrying this guy right now, which I actually won, believe it or not. I get to keep this guy, so I'm beyond thrilled about that. But yeah, this guy's pretty sweet. I mean, I love the Damascus. I love the golden sandalwood. I mean, that's really a nice little combo. It's really classy. Wow. All right. Well, that's it for this video. Reviews coming up soon. And also as well on this guy here, my new Pearson Custom Knives Titan, which, look at that hand rubbed satin. Whoa. Such a beautiful, beautiful knife. Man, I cannot get over this. I'm still fanboying out on this knife. And it's mine. It's like literally the perfect carry with the Mini Freak. You got the red, the carbon fiber. Son. Amazing carry right there. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for plenty more. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base a bit, so if y'all guys can, please put the word out. Share it on Instagram. Give me some shout outs on your videos, whatever. It's much appreciated. I'm pushing for a certain number before the summer is out, and if I hit it, then I'm gonna have an amazing giveaway. Like, seriously, a big giveaway. So y'all guys stay tuned. Thanks very much. Stay safe. See you on the next one.